students, how are you today? Yes, we have another new lesson today on kinds of ecosystem. In our previous lesson, we talked about ecosystem and what ecosystem is all about. An ecosystem is dry, it can be hot, it can be big, and it can be small. And we have different kinds of animals and plants in the ecosystem. Now today, we are looking at different kinds of ecosystem, and here we have 5 of them. Number 1, we have the tundra. Number 2, we have rainforest. Number 3, we have the desert. Number 4, we have grassland, and number 5, we have wetland. Now let's look at the tundra. This place is a cold region, and we have less animal there. We have the bear and the fox. Also, we have grasses there. And trees do not grow in the tundra because of the weather. It's so cold over there. Number 2, we have rainforest. These have highest amount of rainfall, and we have some animals that live in the rainforest. We have the hole here, and we also have some trees in the rainforest, different kind of trees, but we have one example, which is the Douglas fir. In your book, you can get more examples, and as a science student, you can make research on some animals and plants in the rainforest. Number 3, we have the desert. Like you all know that desert is a hot and dry place. Desert is very hot and dry that have less amount of rainfall. We have some animals and plants that can adapt and survive in the desert. We have the cactus that can survive in the desert. We also have the lizard that can survive in the desert. Now we have cactus also too in the desert that can also survive in the desert, and they can manage the little amount of rainfall that is in the desert. Number 4, we have the grassland. Like the name implies, it is covered with grasses, and we have some animals there. We have the chicken, we have the grasshopper in the grassland. Also, we have bison is also an animal. Number 5, we have the wetland covered with water. It is covered with water. Then we have some plants, which is water lilies. We have some animals, which is alligators, and we also have raccoons. Plants and animals will stay where they can survive. You will find plant and animal in a place they can adapt and they can survive. That is why you can find the camel in the desert, you can find the cactus in the desert, because these are the only place they can survive. If you have a question for me, you can drop in the WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. You can get more example in your book in page 184. Thank you so much.